I'm Todd Christensen, the Education Manager at MoneyFit by Debt Reduction Services. We're going to talk about how debt consolidation can help you regain control of your finances using the financial domino effect. Step 1 is to organize your debts. Just like setting up dominoes, you need to know what you're working with. Make a list of your debts, including balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Step 2 is to assess your options. There are various ways to consolidate your debts, such as balance transfers, personal loans, and through a debt management program like the one offered by MoneyFit. Step 3 is choosing the right strategy. Debt consolidation without a loan might be the best option for you, since it can lower your interest rates, result in waived fees, and create an affordable repayment plan. Step 4 is starting the domino effect. By consolidating your debts, you'll simplify your finances, make manageable payments, and start your journey toward becoming debt-free. Debt consolidation can create a positive financial domino effect in your life, setting off a chain reaction that leads to financial freedom and peace of mind. Visit moneyfit.org to learn more about debt consolidation and other debt relief programs. Let us help you set up your financial dominoes for success. Thank you for watching, and remember, with the right strategy and support, you can regain control of your finances and enjoy the financial domino effect.